how to install grommets or eyelets. This is a very easy process. I started out just with a grommet kit. Comes with everything you need, including the little anvil and a cutting tool and also a peening tool. We're going to start with the cutting tool, which is just a tube that's sharpened on one end. You mark where you want that grommet to end up, and you're going to hammer this over a piece of wood. If you do it on something harder, you would damage that cutting tool. That's going to cut a hole in whatever material you want to place the grommet. These grommets are great in the marine application for boat canvases, but they can be used for tarps, etc. We're then going to use the anvil, and the male grommet side fits right into the groove on that anvil. Then you put the material over that you want to grommet. Then you're going to put the washer or the female side of the grommet, and then the peening tool. Then you just want to hammer that peening tool. Give it a half dozen good whacks, and that will completely peen over the grommet, and there you have a finished product. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com.